Hi everyone. In this video, we will discussing the question paper of Medical Microbiology, MSc Microbiology, third semester 2020-21 conducted by HNB Garhwal University. In this question paper, there are total 30 questions having 4 options, out of which one option is correct. Each question carries 2 marks and there is no negative marking. The first question is, which of the following diseases is known as Blue Death? A. Cholera, B. Malaria, C. Typhoid, D. Measles. The correct option is A. Cholera. Question number 2. Atypical pneumonia is caused by option A. Mycoplasma pneumoniae, B. Chlamydophila pneumoniae, C. Legionella pneumophila, D. All of the above. The correct option is D. All of the above. All these three are the causative agent of atypical pneumonia, while the typical pneumonia is caused by mainly Streptococcus pneumoniae, Haemophilus influenzae, Klebsiella pneumoniae, etc. Question number 3. Nosocomial infections are caused by A. Klebsiella pneumoniae, B. Staphylococcus aureus, C. Acinetobacter, D. All of the above. The correct option is D. All of the above. Nosocomial infections, also called hospital-acquired infections, are caused by escape pathogen, in which E stands for Enterococcus, S for Staphylococcus, K for Klebsiella, A for Acinetobacter, P Pseudomonas, and E Enterobacter. Question number 4. The normal microflora of lower respiratory tract includes A. Moraxella, B. Pseudomonas, C. Candida, D. Fusobacterium. According to me, this question is not correct. The normal microflora of respiratory tract is Pneumocystis carinii, a fungus, which is not any option out of these 4 options given here. So if the question would be the normal microflora of upper respiratory tract, then the answer could be A. Moraxella. There could be such mistakes in the question which need to be addressed by an expert. Question number 5. Which of the following technique is not included in pre-treatment phase of clinical samples? A. Homogenization, B. Inoculation in culture media, C. Centrifugation, D. Sonication. Out of this, the correct answer is D. Sonication. It is not a preliminary treatment in the processing of the clinical samples. Question number 6. Diphtheria toxin inhibits protein synthesis by, the option A is phosphorylation of EF2, B. ADP ribosylation of EF2, C. Phosphorylation of EF1, D. ADP ribosylation of EF1. Out of this, the correct answer is B. ADP ribosylation of EF2. Here EF stands for elongation factor. Question number 7. Erythromycin inhibits protein synthesis by A. Binding to 50S ribosomal subunit, B. Binding to 30S ribosomal subunit, C. Binding to transfer RNA, D. None of the above. Out of this, the correct answer is A. Binding to 50S ribosomal subunit. Question number 8. Semisynthetic penicillin includes A. Ampicillin, B. Carbapenicillin, C. Amoxicillin, D. All of the above. Here the correct answer is D, as all of these three are semisynthetic penicillins. Question number 9. The test in which a strip of antimicrobial is placed onto agar plate is called A. E-test, B. Well diffusion method, C. Both A and B, D. None of the above. The correct option is A. E-test, also called the epsilon test, in which a particular antibiotic is present in a concentration gradient and it is used to determine the MIC of the antibiotic. Question number 10. Chikungunya virus is A. Double-stranded RNA virus, B. Single-stranded RNA virus, C. Double-stranded DNA virus, D. Single-stranded DNA virus. The correct option is B. Single-stranded RNA virus. Question number 11. Kala azar is also called A. Visceral leishmaniasis, B. Cutaneous leishmaniasis, C. Mucocutaneous leishmaniasis, D. All of the above. The correct answer is D. All of the above. These are the different clinical forms of leishmaniasis, also called Kala azar, caused by Leishmania donovani. Question number 12. Cryptococcal infection is caused primarily by A. Inhalation of infectious propagules, B. Inoculation into tissues, C. Through phagolysosome, D. None of the above. The correct answer is A. Inhalation of infectious propagules. Question number 13. Blastomycosis involves the infection of A. Bones, B. Lungs, C. Skin, D. All of the above. Out of this, the correct option is D. All of the above. Question number 14. Oral herpes is caused by A. Herpes simplex virus 1, B. Herpes simplex virus 2, C. Both A and B, D. None of the above. The correct answer is A. Herpes simplex virus 1, also abbreviated as HSV1. It is a thumb rule that herpes simplex virus 1, HSV1 viruses, they causes the infection above the waist, and HSV2 viruses, they cause the infections below the waist. Question number 15. The causative agent of viral cancer is A. Epstein-Barr virus, B. Hepatitis B virus, C. Human papilloma virus, D. All of the above. The correct answer is D. All of the above. The cancer is caused by some viruses these viruses, they are called oncogenic viruses. Out of this, all of these 3 viruses, they are the oncogenic viruses. Question number 16. The resistance to chloramphenicol in bacteria is due to A. Enzymatic degradation of chloramphenicol, B. Inactivation of chloramphenicol by acetyl transferase, C. Inactivation of chloramphenicol by phosphotransferase, D. Both B and C. The correct answer is D. Both B and C. Question number 17. Folic acid synthesis is inhibited by A. Trimethoprim, B. Clavulanic acid, C. Amoxicillin, D. None of the above. The correct option is trimethoprim. Trimethoprim blocks the reduction of dihydrofolate to tetrahydrofolate, hence inhibiting the folic acid synthesis. Question number 18. Which of the following is not true about endotoxins? A. Found in both gram-positive as well as gram-negative bacteria. B. Is lipopolysaccharide complex. C. Detected by limulus lysate assay. D. Gene is usually located on chromosome. Out of this, the A option is correct since the statement is incorrect. Endotoxins, they are only found in the gram-negative bacteria as a part of the cell wall. In the case of LPS complex, the lipid A is endotoxic in activity. Question number 19. Giardiasis is caused by A. Giardia agilis, B. Giardia lambia, C. Giardia muris, D. Giardia microti. The correct option is Giardia lambia. Question number 20. Acid-fast bacteria appear dash color in acid-fast staining. A. Blue, B. Red, C. Purple, D. White. The correct option is B. Red. In the case of acid-fast bacteria, the acid-fast bacteria take the color of primary stain, which is carbyl-first chain, hence they appear red in color. Question number 21. Cephalosporins inhibit A. Protein synthesis, B. Cell wall synthesis, C. Folic acid synthesis, D. None of the above. The correct option is B. Cell wall synthesis. The next question is question number 22. Mumps virus belongs to the family A. Paramyxoviridae, B. Rheoviridae, C. Rhabdoviridae, D. Orthomyxoviridae. The correct answer is A. Paramyxoviridae. Question number 23. Tetanus toxin is A. Neurotoxin, B. Cytotoxin, C. Tetrodotoxin, D. Enterotoxin. The correct answer is A. Neurotoxin. Question number 24. Hansen's disease is also called as A. Leprosy, B. Influenza, C. Measles, D. Mumps. The correct option is A. Leprosy. It is named Hansen's disease because of its discoverer. Question number 25. Methicillin-resistant Staphylococcus aureus has developed resistance towards A. Beta-lactam antibiotics, B. Macrolides, C. Folic acid inhibitors, D. All of the above. Out of this, the correct option is A. Beta-lactam antibiotics, to which mainly the penicillins belong. Methicillin-resistant Staphylococcus aureus, also abbreviated as MRSA, is a major causative agent of nosocomial infections. The macrolides and folic acid inhibitors can be used for the treatment of MRSA. Question number 26. The infection of malaria begins with the injection of dash in bloodstream. A. Sporozoite, B. Merozoites, C. Trophozoites, D. Neozoite. The correct option is A. Sporozoites. Malaria is because of the protozoan Plasmodium vivax. It is because of the bite of the female Anopheles mosquito, which carries the sporozoites in its saliva and transfers it to the person to whom it bites. Question number 27. Pathogenicity island is A. Always present on chromosome, B. Present extrachromosomally, C. Present on chromosome or extrachromosomally, D. None of the above. The correct option is A. Always present on chromosome. They are the part of genomic DNA. Question number 28. Tuberculosis is an example of dash infection. A. Acute, B. Chronic, C. Localized, D. Dormant. The correct option is B. Chronic infection. The causative agent of tuberculosis is Mycobacterium tuberculosis. Question number 29. The causative organism of meningitis can be A. Virus, B. Bacteria, C. Fungi, D. All of the above. The correct option is D. All of the above. There are a number of viruses, bacteria and fungi which can cause meningitis. Question number 30. Which of the following is the symptom of diphtheria? A. Bleeding gum, B. Hydrophobia, C. Suffocation, D. Excessive watering. Out of this, the correct option is C. Suffocation. Diphtheria is caused by Corynebacterium diphtheri. The virulence factor is diphtheria toxin, which is a cytotoxin. It causes the inhibition of protein synthesis, hence the cell becomes dead and there is a formation of pseudomembrane because of which the child feels suffocated. So these were the correct solutions to the question paper. If you are having any doubt or you disagree with any of the options which have been discussed here, then you can write it in the comment section. Thanks for your patient watching. I hope you will appreciate. For further videos, kindly subscribe and like and share this channel. Thanks a lot.